Morning everyone, John from Popeyes Postcards. We're going to do our daily what sold video. This is the sales that occurred on December 16th. So just programming note, we'll not have a daily video Saturday or Sunday. We'll pick these back up again on Monday. I will have two videos coming out over the weekend. One is online auction I bought cards from, and the other one is to go over my inventory control. So Saturday, Sunday, those will come out, and we'll pick these back up on Monday. So as you can see on the screen, eBay brought in $255 in eBay sales, and Hip Postcard brought in 3 sales for $75.97 for a daily total of $331.20. So we'll go ahead and get into the cards that sold. This is Wichita, Kansas, a scene in Riverside Park. I've been selling a lot of my old cards. These have been sitting for 5-6 years. So this one, best offer $350. This is a car dealer ad, 1960 Rambler custom 4-door sedan. And this is going to, I believe, the United Kingdom. So always pick up those advertising cards for dealerships. $8.99 for that card. Another one of those World War II era military humor. The sailors hunting the sub with the naked mermaid picture. $2.99. This is Knoxville, Pennsylvania, Main Street looking west, circa 1922. Actually, might be earlier than that. The postmark is 1922, but I think it's probably 19 teens. Bought this for 40 cents from this dealer who had passed away probably about a year ago. 1659. So let me see. Next is sold to Santa Claus, Merry Christmas, Old World Santa, Holly Gold Gilt 1910s. The picture just doesn't do this card justice. It's a beautiful Santa, even with some water staining on the back. I got, I think it was a best offer. I think it was about 14 bucks or so, 13, 14 bucks. This is Crystal Beach, Manor, Maryland, multi-view beach scenes, greetings. I doubt any of these scenes were from Crystal Beach, Manor, but nice greetings. This sold for $8.99. Bought it for 90% off of that amount. So what's it, 15 cents maybe? So this card and this card went to the same buyer. They were very excited because their parents live here in Crystal Beach Manor, and he grew up there. And this card is actually going to, I think it was Rhode Island. Anyway, $16.99 for that card. This is a Scenic Greetings from Lake Winola, Pennsylvania. Again, I buy these when they're in the quarter box. I always pick up these Scenic Greeting cards. I have a whole bunch of these ones. You can see this is number 6. It sold for $9.99. Next, Stratford, Canada, Shakespearean Festival 1963. This is a real photo. And it sold for $14.99 and is going to Canada. Okay, next we have, this is an ad postcard, Happy Johnny and his band, Bread Gang Band. It's a mouthful. Bond. Look at that. Did I mess that up? Bond Bread. No. And his bond, not his band. Oi. And his Bond Bread Gang Band. Jeez, that's a mouthful. WBAL, which is Baltimore. So, advertising card. Real photo. Accepted a best offer of $30 on that card. Next is Florida Keys. It's a greeting. Baha'i. Was it Bahi? Whatever, Honda Bridge. I put vintage. probably 1950s. Probably should have put 1950s, but I think the back is much newer. That's probably a 70s, 1970s, 80s stamp. So anyway, best offer $350. New York City. This is the New York Ensemble, the famous Hollywood Cabaret restaurant. White border era, $850 for that card. It's on the verge of white border and linen. They're flappers, so 20s, 30s, but it just has more of a linen feel to it. Okay, so next is let me see, Massachusetts. Oh, this actually this was canceled, so we won't go over that one. Okay, postcard, Thanksgiving greetings, turkey country scene wishbone. This buyer bought this one and the next card, so here we're 3 weeks after Thanksgiving, and Thanksgiving cards are selling. This is going to Spain. $4 for that card. Here's another one, same publisher, same view, a little bit different background, and it sold for $4 to the same buyer, going to Spain. Next, this is Six Flags Texas Amusement Park Confederacy Section Kids Enlistment. This is from the amusement park. Definitely, I would highly doubt that they have this there today. I don't know, but anyway, $39.99 for that card. May have taken a best offer, but it was at least it was over $30. I know that. Roosevelt teddy bears, embossed, airbrushed. So just heavy embossed bears. Everybody knows the story why they're teddy bears for Theodore Roosevelt. So $5 for that. I always find these in the quarter boxes and always pick them up. Next, Mountaindale, New York, Scenic Greetings from Mountaindale, circa 1940s. Here's another one of those Scenic Greetings, just a very generic view, but someone wanted it obviously for their town. $8.19 for that card. Another Thanksgiving card sold. This is a line of turkeys. A little rough shape around the edges. This is when you look up this Tux serial number here, or the series number, it'll tell you that it was drawn by R.J. Wealthy. His cards really aren't that valuable. This is Brooklyn, New York, Public Library, Williamsburg. This is 1910. 1910s. And sold for $7.99. Next, Merry Christmas Santa toy bag, glitter. This is artist signed Ellen Clapsaddle. This is one of the most common Clapsaddle Christmas views Santas that you'll find. $6.99, which is really about the going rate, maybe a little bit more. But I have seen these go for over $50, which is just amazing. Over on HIP, we had 3 orders. This is Springville, New York, Main Street, 1907 view from rooftop. Horse buggies carried, something like that I put on there. I paid, well, whatever. This one I bought at half price, so 75 cents I paid for this one. Sold for $18.99. This one is Pompano Beach, Kester Brothers Oceanfront Homes in circa 1939. So it's like a development, I guess. Guarantee this doesn't look like that today. So I think it's more of an advertising card. You can't see it, but I paid 80 cents for this card from that dealer who passed away. It sold for $33.99, and this one went to the same buyer. This is an interior of the Ocean Homes, showing you what it could look like. So, or if this was a rental, I'm not 100% sure. I think it's more real estate. So anyway, $22.99. I think I paid 40 cents for this one. Okay, that's what sold for yesterday. Remember, there won't be a what sold Saturday or Sunday. So on Monday, we'll pick up what sales are from Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So Mondays will be a little bit larger. As always, thank you for watching.